To cancel the subscription of Google Gemini, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to cancel the Google Gemini subscription. Now, if you want to cancel the subscription of Google Gemini, you just need to make sure that you are logged in. You have simply connected your device to any kind of Wi-Fi or data. So if you have not done that, you just need to make sure to connect it. And after that, you just need to open the Google Gemini app. And if you have not downloaded the app, then you just need to make sure to download it from Play Store or App Store. And after that, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right, where you will see various options like upgrade to Google AI Plus, Gemini, and app activities, and all of it. So scroll down and click on the option of settings. And from settings, here you will see the option of view subscription. So click on it. Under view subscription, here you will be able to see the subscription which you have taken. And if you see the option manage subscription, tap on it. And from there, you will be able to cancel the subscription. So you just need to tap on the option of cancel subscription or delete subscription. So that's it. That's how you can cancel a subscription from Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.